Welcome to, see, you thought I was going to be gone for the day and you wouldn't have to deal with me all day. Guess what? I'm here for you. But what you're going to do, and now I'm going to have a blank sheet of paper for you guys. Your sub is going to give you that has these little things that you can write what these are in them. That's not going to be a problem. You're going to have time to do that. However, this is like a thought bubble in my brain of what I do so that I can make a proof look awesome. And if you'll just follow along and listen to the process, and then you're going to watch another video by a guy named, I don't know what his name is, but it's from Yay Math. He's going to do a proof, and then I want you to come back and you'll be able to copy the things. Okay? So, what you're going to do is you're going to mark the given on your picture, and you're going to write the given as a statement. So one of the first things we need is, well, what's our proof going to look like? Well, we're going to start with really easy ones, so I'm going to give you a really easy one. This is kind of dumb because I'm just slapping it up there. And we want these triangles to be congruent when we get finished. So I'm going to give that AB is congruent to CD, and BC is congruent to DA. Now that's my given. I eventually want to prove, this is going to be so easy peasy, you're going to go, oh my God, I have to think through that? No, you don't have to think. You can almost do this in your sleep. You're going to prove that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle CDA. So what do I mean when I say mark the given on the picture and write the given as a statement? This is your problem. This is what I mean. When you get your picture or you draw your picture on your paper, because that's what you're supposed to do, you mark the given. Well, AB is congruent to CD. That's one marking. I write my given. Oops, sorry. Statements. So this is going to be AB congruent to CD. One. Reason. Given. All right. So then you ask yourself, is the given a congruent statement? In this case, the given is a congruent statement. See, this is a yes or no answer. It's called a decision-making thing, box. And I have yes. So it says go back for the other given, because you know what? You're going to always be given at least two given statements. So I'm going to go back for the other given. It says mark that on the picture and write it as a given statement. So I'm going to go like this, because it says BC to DA. And I'm going to write it congruent, oh, got excited there, to DA. And since they're both congruent statements, you can lump them all in one given statement. Now, is there a given statement? No, that's the last given statement we did. So the decision tells me to keep going this way now. It says write a direct conclusion from the given statement as a congruent statement and justify it. Well, wait a minute, Ms. Stout. Those were already congruent statements. So this is a step that in this really simple proof, I don't have to do. I'm going to go on. Is there more given? No, because I've already done all the giving. So I go back here. I go to the next thing. It says look for a reflexive piece or vertical angles to mark and make the statement. So I'm looking for reflexive or vertical. Remember, vertical angles are like these. Are those in that picture? Absolutely not. But is there a reflexive? Yeah, right here. AC is congruent to itself. So I'm going to go statement 2, AC is congruent to CA. Now, why did I turn that around? Because remember in the given, I said BC to DA. I'm implying, you're going to infer, to use your English word, that B angle goes with D angle. So the sides have to be flip-flopped, meaning these have to be flip-flopped. So CA is congruent to CA. If you don't do it, am I going to cut your fingers off? No, you can write AC to AC. I don't care. but it's good to get in the habit of doing everything precisely. So this is congruent by reflexive. And today, and for the next 2 days while I'm not here, y'all are going to stop at congruent triangles. It says, now the triangle should be congruent. That's where you're stopping. So don't keep going. You're going to be done. I should be finished here. See if I have enough. Do I have enough to say that this triangle up here is congruent to this triangle? Why, yes, I think I do. I have side, 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 and side, side, side. So my last statement, which should match the proof statement, is triangle ABC congruent to triangle CDA. And that's by side, side, side. Now that one was a very easy one. That's the thought process behind doing this. Are you going to write this every time you do it? Absolutely not. It's just, what do I do next? What do I do next? What do I do next? This is what you're going to write when you do this. Now you're going to watch a video by Yay Math Guy. And then for homework, I'm going to give you only one this first night. Tomorrow you'll be able to share and pair and share. And then and then you'll have actual like 4 problems to do. And then Friday I'll see you. Have a good day.